Hello everybody, my name is Marlene Alvarado and I will show you how you can create your own link in bio like this in your own website made in WordPress. Yes, under your domain, so all the organic traffic on Google is for you, and also you don't need to pay any fee monthly. So let's start, and don't forget, read the description on this video when you get all the information for get ready. The first step is going to your website made in WordPress and add the plugin, add new, blank, slate. So it's the first here, it has like a 20,000 installation, activate, and then going to page and add new page. The title is very important that you put something about SEO, and maybe depends what you do. In my case, I will put expert in SEO, right? And then here, well, I show you, exit. Sometimes appear like this or sometimes appear like oh. Well, how you come back to two states, you can go here and you see here in editor, you can put visual that is right now or code editor, right? Visual or code editor. This is in the stress point. But what we use for today is code editor. If you have your link in bio with billboard, that's what you can do. Well, if disappear this area, just go here and appear. Going to this three dot, we are already in this part that editor, we are in the code editor, we are fine here, and open your notepad, your template here. Your notepad, open here, copy the whole code until the end, and paste. Then exit to the editor, let's see that this one, here, and update. Let's see, check. Oh no. We see it's almost there, but it's something wrong with here. This is the template that you have in your website already. How we get this solution, we're going to looking for the web expert in SEO for the page. Expert in SEO, that one. I'm going here, quick edit. Going to template and put blank slate. This is the plugin that you already download, update, and now going to edit. Just update and let's see. Refresh and voila, we have the template ready for customize. That case, you already check that you can edit everything here, right? You can choose here and you don't like this, you just delete, remove Telegram, click there, remove Instagram, LinkedIn, for example. I want to change my address, just select and delete and text your address there, your link, and also change the order. I want LinkedIn here in the middle. We want my email first. I want to change this color. Right, of course I know I'm an entrepreneur. Maybe put that color. I want to change this photo. Just as important, you need to put exactly the same size. It's white and hay is this one, 199. So I already put here. I'm going to replace. Opening my media library. I already have this measure. But if you know this, you can go into upload file from your website or your computer. But I already have ready this, so I put here. And also I can check this. What is the measure of this? You can see here. Replace. Let you see. This is the 1000 by 400. If you replay this, you need this image with this size. You can change everything here. I mean, maybe that color is better for you. You can change here. I don't know. That one. Maybe like more like this, right? Here, you go here and just type it another. My web, right? Let us say my this, pause, change. You can change the color here. See, let's upgrade. Let's see, refresh. Voila. You see, I changing this for my message for my company. I will replace this. So then you can replace whatever you want. You can delete this, just go here, remove. You can also duplicate, right? And then you can type it whatever you want. Delete this, edit the link, right? etc. And also you can change the order. I want this button here, just go in there and go there. Here I go up. Can replace the image here. Replace this image. This is the measure. Make sure you have a measure like this. Right side. I don't have it, so maybe I can put something just for example. The ideal is that you have the exactly measure. I have put this, right? Maybe I don't need the last one. I just click and remove the image. Maybe I want to add more. I want to add more. So click here, image, upload, media library, redo, can add this one, and that this is big. That this, right? Here you just put the white and upload. That's it. You have this. The ideal is that you have the exactly side that the image that you delete. So you just replace. So instead you add, the easiest way is, in that case, I will delete this. For example, here, the easiest way is duplicate. So if you have two, then you just edit this. Because if you add new, then you need to do the configuration. But I just duplicate, right? Going here, delete. So this image, the easiest way is replace. You replace. First, you need the side, and you replace for exactly the same side. And that's it.